Hey there, welcome back to another video. My name is Pradyumna Saraf and I am developer advocate at Lifecycle, specializing in Go and DevOps development. In today's video, we will explore how to use Preevy with Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine. If you are not familiar with Preevy, it's a robust open source CLI tool developed by Lifecycle. Preevy is designed to streamline the creation of preview environments for your project and provide shareable URL for quick and easy team feedback. Although Preevy supports various drivers like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Kubernetes cluster, our focus today will be on Azure. As you can see, I am already on the repo page. Feel free to contribute to our work and give it a star to show your support. Your contribution and support help us to continually improve, make this tool more usable for the developer community. For this demonstration, I am using a repo that I have created under Lifecycle organization so that you can easily try out. Let's switch back to VS Code to understand the repo component and see Preevy in action. This project includes a backend, a frontend, and a database. If we open compose file, you will see three services: backend, DB, and a frontend. We are using Node for backend, MariaDB for database. Before we dive in, ensure you have following prerequisite: Docker and Docker Compose, Azure Credential, Node.js. With these tools at your disposal, you are ready to create your own preview environments. Please also make sure your Docker is running. Also, a detailed installation guide and step for each driver can be found in the docs. For this demo, we are using Azure standard VMs, offering a balance of flexibility and cost. Let's switch back to the VS Code. Next, let's set up the Azure credential using AZ login command. It is successful. Now let's install Preevy using npm install -g Preevy command. Following that, we are going to set up a profile using Preevy init command. A profile acts as a persistent storage for your Preevy configuration data. You can store it locally or in a storage like S3. You can also create multiple profiles. For this demo, we will save it locally. We will choose Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine. We can choose any region. Press enter. We will choose to store it locally. Done. Now the profile is set. Let's run Preevy up command. It will take some time in creating container and deploying them to Azure. As we can see, it provided us shareable URL for different services. Let's now navigate to the URL we received. It's working fine. Let's make some modification to app.js and again run Preevy up command. This time it will take less time because the layer are already cached. Let's head back to the browser. As you can see, our new changes has been deployed and are now showing on the URL. This kind of preview environment make it super convenient to receive feedback easily and quickly. We just need to run preview up command each time. Let's switch back to VS Code. Let's now look at some more command which might be helpful. To retrieve the log, we can use Preevy logs command. To list all the environment, we can use Preevy ls. To get all the URLs, we can use Preevy URLs. To shut down the environment, we can use Preevy down. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any question, feel free to comment them below. Thank you.